All right, today we're going to take something that sounds super complicated, a lead funnel, and turn it into something you can actually build yourself, like in the next 5 minutes. No jargon, just simple, powerful steps. So get ready, because this isn't just about, clicking a few buttons. This is about building a real, direct path to grow your business, your audience, whatever your big idea is. It's a seriously foundational skill. You ready to jump in? So what is an opt-in funnel, really? Well, at its core, it's just a digital handshake. That's it. You offer something valuable for free, maybe a guide, a checklist, a video, and in return, your visitor just introduces themselves by popping in their email. It's the beginning of a real conversation. Okay, time to get our hands dirty. We are starting with a completely blank canvas here. Why? Because building from the ground up, that's the absolute best way to see how all the pieces click together. Let's do it. Okay, step 1. Super simple. We're going to navigate to the funnel section and create a new one. Now, you're going to see a bunch of templates. Ignore them. We are intentionally starting from scratch. Here's why. The pros understand the core structure before they worry about making it pretty. And that's exactly what we're doing, learning the pro way from day one. All right, step 2. Now that we have our funnel, think of it like a folder. We need to add our first page. Let's call it the opt-in page, just to keep things crystal clear. And just like that, with a couple of clicks, boom, you have a blank digital canvas. This is the welcome mat for your future customers. Now for the fun part, actually building the page itself. And look, we're not going to overcomplicate this at all. A really high-performing opt-in page is just made of 3 simple logical parts, and we're going to break them down right now. This slide right here, this is your blueprint. Seriously, it's the 3 essential building blocks. You've got the hero section, which makes a promise, the benefits section, which explains the value, and the footer, which builds trust. Pay close attention to this, because I guarantee almost every effective landing page you've ever seen follows this exact structure. Okay, step 3, we're adding the absolute heart of the page, the form. Just drag it right into that hero section. And here's a super important tip. Look at the button text. Submit? So boring. Get instant access? Now that's exciting. It's an action, it promises an immediate reward, and trust me, it dramatically increases clicks. Now you're going to notice in the form settings, there's an option for what happens after someone clicks that button. We're going to leave that blank, on purpose. Think of it as a little cliffhanger. We'll come back to it in a minute, and you'll see how it makes this whole machine work. When it comes to design, let me just say, your only goal here is clarity. You don't have to be some creative genius. Just pick one of these 2 paths, a dark background with light text or a light background with dark text. That's it. Then, make your button a bright, contrasting color so it's impossible to miss. Done. Okay, so right now, a funnel is just 2 disconnected pages. It doesn't actually do anything. Yet. This next step, this is the aha moment. This is where we stop building pages and start building an automated journey. Step 4, we're hopping back to our funnel overview to add our second and final page, the thank you page. And it has one very simple, very important job: to confirm that the person's action worked and to tell them exactly what to do next. No confusion, just clear, simple instructions. All right, remember that little setting we left hanging, the cliffhanger? It's time for the magic trick. We're going back to our opt-in page, clicking on the form, and this time we're telling it that on submit, it should send people straight to our new thank you page. And just like that, you've automated the entire user journey. It's that simple. The structure is built. The flow is connected. There is only one thing left to do now. Bring this whole thing to life and take a well-deserved victory lap. And for our final step, step 5, we publish. But wait, we're not quite done. You need to open that live link and become your own first visitor. Go on, fill out the form. The important thing here isn't just to check for bugs. It's about you experiencing your creation for the very first time, exactly how your audience will. I want you to take a moment and let that sink in. What you've built isn't just 2 web pages. It's an automated system, a machine that can now work for you 24/7, starting conversations and delivering value, even while you're sleeping or focusing on other things. That's powerful. So you did it. You successfully built the engine. The machine is ready and it's waiting for you. Now the real journey begins. And the only question left to answer is, what incredible value are you going to share with the world?